What's up guys, welcome back to Hex. Today we're building a really cool computer in the BeQuiet light-based 500LX case. Okay, this case has just hit the market. It's recently just came out about, I don't know, a month ago or something like that. And I've had my eyes on it before it actually came out. And I thought, let's get it, let's get all this stuff inside to make it a really nice and clean build. So I'll let you guys check it out and then let's get into building it. Before you continue watching the video, make sure you like and subscribe and comment if you like the build. Alright, so the first thing was obviously to dismantle the case, take it all apart and see what we're working with. So a couple of tempered glass panels. Top panel comes off really easy. It's all built in with these clips, so there's no screws required to take it apart. Really nice and spacious inside. The front glass panel is bolted in with screws, so you can't really take that off unless you unscrew it. There's like a little gap here for the fans at the back. And it's all mesh vented, as you can see, so you can see right through it, and also improves airflow. At the back, very nice and spacious again for the power supply chamber, and we've also got the triple fan at the bottom. Okay, so let's check out the cable management in the back of the case. So let's take the side panel off and have a look at what we've got here. So we've got the RGB connector straight away. We've got a box of accessories which has all the cable ties and other mounting accessories inside it. Okay, so we went with a B850 Riptide from ASRock for this build. And I like the design of the VRM heatsink, it looks really nice. The design of this is what really made me buy this product, to be honest with you guys. Now, the latest Ryzen 5 9600X is the latest iteration of the Ryzen 5, 6 cores, 12 threads, absolute ripper, so we're going to put that into this build. Now for the storage, we're going to go ahead with an NV3 from Kingston. It's a 1TB NVMe M.2 drive. Now for the RAM, we decided to go with the Corsair Vengeance 32GB of DDR5 RGB RAM. It looks really nice and it will add to the whole RGB vibe of the computer. Now for the power supply, the Corsair RM750x is one of the highest quality power supplies, fully modular and very well known for its reliability. So here's the cable management aspect of this build. Okay, so as you can see, I made it look as neat as possible here. There is a couple cables loose behind that little metal plate, like this one right here, but it all looks really well. Now for the cooler, I have used a Corsair Nautilus 360mm AIO. Now when you get this case, make sure that you install it at the top because it does not fit on the side where the BeQuiet fans are. I tried that and I failed because the radiator is too big with the extension of where the pipes come out. It's too big to fit in there, so you can't actually fit the entire thing on the side, so you have to put it at the top. I don't know if that's an oversight in design of the case, but I made a mistake of taking the BeQuiet fans off to put the radiator in there and it didn't work. For the GPU, we decided to go with the MSI Inspire 5070. The reason we chose this card is because we wanted something a little bit more sophisticated and a little bit more classier to go along with all the RGB stuff that's already in the case. And this looks gorgeous with the rose gold accents. I believe it's all made of metal as well. It looks really nice, so we chose this one for that purpose exactly. After fitting this GPU into the case, the only thing left to do was to boot the system on, and I have to say it looks gorgeous when it's turned on. You'll see that in a very second. Now, it was an absolute pleasure to build in this case. This case is excellent to build in and it looks brilliant as well. The only downside of it is I couldn't fit that Nautilus where the vertical fans are. I don't know if you can get a different cooler that would fit in there, but overall, lovely build. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment in the section below
Let me know what your favourite part of it was and what your favourite component of the computer is, and also if you would have done something maybe differently, we can maybe try and do that for you in future. But please like, share and subscribe the channel, help us grow. And if you are looking for a custom build, we do builds nationwide. You can get in touch with us via our website or our Instagram. And also if you're local to Edinburgh, you can also get it done locally delivered or whatever, or collection in store if you'd like as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Have a good night.